All right, you guys, what's up? It is Bradamon here. Now, before I started hiking the Camino, I really wish that I had had a good idea of what the climate would be like. So I am on the Camino de Santiago right now, and I can tell you what the weather is like. So here you go. It is July 11th in the middle of summer. My watch says it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Jesus, quick math, that might be 28 degrees Celsius. It is 2:30 p.m. Spanish time, so just about the middle of the day. Out here the sun sets at about 9:45 p.m. so local solar noon is a little bit later. Now it's not dead blazing hot. I started June 22nd, and a couple days after that my watch read 107 degrees Fahrenheit. What am I doing? That's like 42 degrees Celsius. So it's nowhere near that hot right now, but it's still pretty hot, a little bit humid. And you can see all the clouds in the sky around me. I'm not gonna say it's a sweltering day, but it's pretty warm. Now, there are a couple of ways to beat the heat. First off, I am wearing a long sleeve shirt. I'm also wearing long sleeve pants. Now, some people look at me and they say, dude, don't you get hot? I'm like, no, not really. This is athletic wear, Under Armour or Champion or something. And it's very thin and it wicks very well. So in the last town, there was a fountain. I went and I dunked my bandana in it and I sprayed it all over my arms. And so for the last 45 minutes, I've been walking. That water has been evaporating, cooling me off as I go. So that's one. Evaporative cooling. And wear some like quick dry stuff that you can put water on. Two, wear a hat. Just do it. It's hot as heck out here. It's pretty exposed. You're gonna want to do that. Okay, next one, leave as early as possible if you can. So like we said, the days are pretty long, so you're gonna run into heat. I left at 5:50 a.m. and have taken about 2 hours worth of break. I jumped in a river. That's another way to cool off. Oh, I regret it. It's cold. It's cold. Today's a 24-mile day from El Burgo Ranero to Leon. I have about 4 miles left. So I've been hiking quite a bit and it's warm, but again, the earlier you can leave the hostel, the better it'll be. Okay, and there's one last thing that I did want to mention. In the last week, we've probably run into 3 thunderstorms, but also expect that if you're hiking during the summer, you very likely will see some thunderstorms in the afternoon. And we got pounded yesterday. There was hail. It was tough. It was a lot of rain, cold rain. So make sure you bring rain gear too. So yeah, that's a quick video on about how hot it is out here, what you can expect. We are just finishing the meseta, so we're about 3 weeks in. And yeah, it's warm. We've had some hotter days, but this is pretty typical. It's about 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So thanks for watching. If you like this, hit like. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe down there, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. All right, you guys, Bradamon out. Thank you. This is cold.